This homeowner actually got their entire roof covered by their insurance company.
New roof, new roof, new roof, new roof, new roof. This roof is new too.
We're out here in Ewa Beach right now. If you have an old roof, you might qualify.
There's only one roof on the block that needs to be done right over there. It's a 3-tab roof and it's missing some shingles.
They had wind damage, helped them get their insurance out here. They're getting their new roof replaced today.
You see missing shingles, give us a call because this is a $20,000 roof. He just paid $1,000. His insurance covered the rest. It does sound too good to be true, but if you have an old roof like that one over there, that's a perfect qualifier. It has wind damage and that's what the insurance company is looking for when they cover a roof. Hit me up at 808-766-8023 or go on to OahuRoofSupport.com, fill out the form. We'll see if we can hook you guys up with a brand new roof as well. Aloha.